All right, so this warm-up is going to be a little freestyle. You know it. You know this song. We're just going to start with a little step tap. All right, we're going to warm up our hips. Do circle 4 times. Other way. Hey, now 2 right, 2 left. How about some singles? Now we're going to take a walk. And then you stay here. One more time. Now we're going to come right here. Speed this up. Up. Hit. 2 knees. Hit. 2 knees. If you got that hair, you just whip it. One more. Now watch me. You can do whatever you do there. That's real freestyle. Now, watch. Same thing. Come on. Right here. Huh. 2 knees. Yeah. If you know it, sing it, get it. Can we shimmy? Let's shimmy. Again. All right, step tap. Enjoy. Maybe a little turn. You got a little freestyle there. Little shimmy. And bring your jukebox money. Huh. Yeah, girl. Good job. Again. The best part's coming up. You know what it is. We're going to come down like this. A little warm up for those legs. And you know, you got to bang on that door. But I want you to move your head. Again. One more slow. Now watch. Neck roll. Woo! Good job.